Turn your base before I-17 inside of an Archer on a 3-mile final. Sun 301, number 2, calling Archer, head into your right on downwind. So between base before the I-75,
What if you could key the mic every time knowing exactly what to say? Introducing the Flight Insight VFR Communications Course. We've partnered with Pilot Edge, working with real, live air traffic controllers in real-world scenarios to bring your communication skills far beyond what's covered in the private pilot curriculum. As important as radio communications are, they're still often glossed over in private pilot training, especially in scenarios like busy Bravo airspace and unusual situations.
Clear through Vegas Bravo airspace via the Gypsum 1 arrival.
You can memorize canned scripts to get into and out of your favorite towered airport, but will that help in unfamiliar situations? In true Flight Insight fashion, we'll have you understanding why air traffic control says what they do and why you respond back the way you need to. With a little bit of background and real-world scenarios demonstrated, from negotiating busy non-towered airports to coolly handling Los Angeles International Airport controllers and Southern California airspace, you'll be amazed at how confident and smooth your radio communications will become. We're proud to release the Flight Insight VFR Communications Course on June 10th, 2022. Head over to flight-insight.com/comms for updates. Be hearing you soon.